Thanks for inviting today. Happy to be here. So I'm Wendy. I am as Prof. Wang has mentioned, I'm in the second intake of the MSA, Master of Science in Accounting with Data and Analytics track. But I think what's more important was like the network that we had back then when we joined that, when I joined that MSA. And organically, I was able to find an opportunity with Visa. So I connected with a classmate from MSA, and I managed to have a data analytics role when I was studying. And that was where I started to apply all my data analytics stuff that I learned from the MSA course. And yeah, I think my boss liked my work, so I'm still there with Visa now, senior finance data analyst, and mainly working on like reporting, process improvements in the finance operations. And we do make use of a lot of the tools that we learned from the MSA course, like Python, visualization tools and stuff in my day-to-day work. So I think previous to joining Visa as a data analyst, I was actually doing something very completely different. I was in the public sector with the Monetary Authority of Singapore. So in the supervisory arm of things, where we actually regulate the, for my department, I was supervising the financial institutions in the capital market intermediaries. So the work that I was doing was policy making, inspections of these financial institutions. So you can see what's the link with this data thing, right? So that was really in 2018 when this program started really in time when Singapore was actually pushing for big data, getting more finance, or in fact, I think in the finance industry, there was a push for the professionals to get into the data analytics side of things. So I graduated with an accounting degree in NTU, not SMU, but I'm happy to join SMU because of all the good things that I've heard about SMU. So I joined after graduating, I took the easy way. I joined as an auditor in Ernst & Young. Then after that, I went to MAS, but it was kind of like, I was seeking for some challenges, I would say. And that was when the big data trend came about. And this program, the MSA program, actually came in really timely. I was actually looking out, and I thought that this was something that could pivot me into a new area that I could explore further. So that was the reason why I chose the MSA as the master's degree. I really love the interaction, the interactive pedagogy that we have. Never had a dull moment in the seminar styles lectures.
Yes.
It's always very intense and interactive, very close to the professors right in front. So should any questions you have, and you have your answer. So that's something that I really enjoyed, and it really helped in, gathering all the knowledge that you really need from the professors. Yeah, so that's something that I really enjoyed. I was lucky enough to have an opportunity that was mainly came from how diverse our MSA classmates were from. Like we had a lot of part-time students who are actually working, like Gavin. So so my opportunity came from that avenue, but I did use the career services. So before I got my opportunity in Visa, I was preparing, all my resumes and stuff, and I was glad that I had unis there to guide me through, and it's one-on-one.